Never start your engine indoors. It's very dangerous. Before you change the oil, you have to run your mini bike for a minute. This makes the oil thin and run out easy. To start your mini bike, make sure the fuel is on. Turn on the choke. Come up here on handlebars. That makes it so that will start. So you have to sit on it and pull. Once it started, turn the choke off. Turn it to run.
Nope, really, all good.
Okay, we can change the oil now. Let's get started. This is the Monster Moto 80cc mini bike. The things you'll need are 2 stands, 1 paper towel, oil drain pan, 1 12-ounce of oil, and gloves, and 10mm ratchet. Get your parents to help you put it up on stands. The oil drain plug is located right there. So put your wrench on to here, and then with your other hand, you press it to lock it. And turn counterclockwise. Okay, it's loosened up now. You could take the socket off now or the wrench. So right now my hand is pretty dirty. I should have my gloves on. So right now I have to put my gloves on. Okay, the gloves are on. Now the drain plug is loose. Turn it out by hand. Be careful not to drop it. Do you want to turn this way or that way?
That way.
No? Oh no! Look how dirty the oil is! So just wait a few minutes and then let drain. The oil has all drained out. It's not dripping, so let's put the plug in. Turn the drain plug as far as you can and tighten it with your socket. It's hard, especially with oily gloves. Snug it up.
Check. There you go.
And wipe off the oil off the frame. All clean! Now go to the front of the bike and open the fuel cap this way, counterclockwise. Now put your funnel in. Open this up and slowly pour the oil in. Pour the entire amount, 12 ounces. Put the cap on and snag it up. And now put the lid on. Save this for next time. Then you'll know exactly how much to put in.